يوجد مخارج على جانبي المسرح. يرجى ملاحظة أن مناطق المخارج يجب استخدامها فقط في حالة الطوارئ.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the unlikely event of an emergency, there are exits located on both sides of the theatre. Please note that the exit areas should only be used in the event of an emergency.
First of all, welcome all of you here in the My Safari Park, especially here in our World Kingdom. And by the way, my name is Sakir and I'm one of the animal trainer. Can I just have you, please? Yeah, I'm ready to laugh. And where do I start? Okay, I will say it. Okay, I know there is trash, you want to show me on. She's just mocking me, let's see what she's doing. Hey, you're midnight? Already got it, man. No problem. So, as I was telling you, there are so many species of birds here in the White Safari Park, and I hope you all are excited to read on the... Like, what is happening? I don't even know that. There's another one. You can do that. That's amazing. Come here. She has some other plans. It's all clear. Everything is done. Now she's fantastic for some reason. You wanna go back? Come on. Thank you so much. So, as I was telling you, we have birds from all over the world, and last few years they have been giving message about conservation and
Birds have always fascinated us since the dawn of time. But what is it about birds that excites people? Is it because of their melodic songs? Or their unique behaviours? Or maybe their colourful plumage? Every bird has a story. Today, we're going to take you on a thrilling journey of the Bird Kingdom.
Our great trumpeters, and these birds come from South America, and they get their name trumpeters from the deep low sounds which they make to communicate between their flock. They make two types of sound. One is low and the other one is high pitched loud call, which they make when they see predators around. And indigenous people from Amazon used to have these birds in their farms. So whenever the predator comes, they can alert them. Pretty big responsibility. And after seeing some birds coming from America, here we have one of the most common species of ibises found in Africa. And their name is Hadada ibises. And let's see if they are going to tell you why they get their name. You can hear that, why they actually get their name. Their call sounds like Hadada, which is their actual name. And they're already gone. Thank you so much, soy sauce, our Hadada ibises. And as we were seeing those birds, hello. So here we have Harry and the Lissai, our blitz hornbills, or also known as Papuan hornbills, coming all the way from Papua New Guinea. These birds are sexually dimorphic, which means adult male and female, they look a little different from each other. You can notice that, right? So the yellow-headed bird, that is Harry, our male hornbill, and the other one, the black-headed one, is the Lissai, our female hornbill. These birds are very agile flyers and they can even catch insects while flying in mid-air. I would love to show you that, but of course I cannot have any flying insect in my pocket. So today is actually their test with this way. Come on, let's try this, guys. One more time. So, let's continue. I'm actually very lovely birds fed here in Dubai Safari, and if you want to see them up close, all you have to do is go to the glass building, which is at the entrance or the exit of the safari, and then you will get to meet our beautiful hornbill pair. Come on guys, they did an amazing job, right? How about some appreciation for them? And as we all testing behavior. So here we have Windy, our female rhinoceros hornbill, coming all the way from Malaysia. And during breeding season, when female hornbill is ready to lay her egg, she will look for one tree cavity, just like that one over there. And if she likes that tree cavity, she will go inside and lock herself with mud and debris, leaving just one small hole so that male can pass through food inside for her. And right now she has one inside, so let's check with her. Hey baby, do you like that nest over there? Yeah, she likes it, I guess. Alright, let's ask her one last question. Hey Winnie, what are you doing inside? Are you laying your eggs? Hey, that's all you can see. I think she's saying yes, right? So, now it's time for her to rest inside. But, during this time, it's male's responsibility to fly all over the forest and look for food for his family. So, here we have Mr. Tim, our male rhinoceros hornbill. Whenever you are ready, Tim. There he goes. Alright, so. What is that big thing on top of the head? Yeah? It looks like second beak or banana or something. Yes? It's called cast. We believe it works as a vibrating chamber to maintain that cast for making an ornament out of it. But luckily, there are so many rescue centers and rehabilitation centers working to protect these beautiful creatures in the wild. So in future, we will get to see many more hornbills flying across the skies of Malaysia. So once again, that is Jim and Wendy, our rhinoceros hornbill. Thank you so much, guys. Remember, They have that black cap on their heads. These birds come from South America, and as we all can see, those are very small birds, right? But you know what? Those birds are very naughty. They will fight with any other bird, even the biggest ones, even with me. So they have very big personalities. And you know what? I know you all want to do this activity, but we have short time, right? So what we can do is go to the kids farm, and there we can feed our beautiful Amazon parrots. So here we have our Amazon parrots, and as their name suggests, these birds come from Amazon jungle. Very simple. But people think that parrots can talk, which is completely false. They cannot talk. What they do are beautiful macaws. As you can see, macaws are really amazing creatures, and these birds also come from South America, just like our other parrots. But you know what? These birds, they can live around 60 to 70 years in the wild, which is really amazing for any bird species, right? But with this lifestyle also, these birds are facing problems in the wild. You know what? 6 species of macaws are already extinct, and more macaw species are getting in endangered areas. There is always hope. Conservation will always be a vital part of the Dubai Safari Park's mission, and by doing small things correctly, you can also be a part of it by throwing your trash in the right trash can, by supporting your local rescue centers, and by not buying from illegal animal pet trade. You all can make a big difference. Remember, these birds, they all need our help. So let's join our hands together to protect these beautiful creatures and the environment they live in. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there. Who knows what adventure awaits you? There are still so many more stories waiting and for all of you to be discovered. So remember to save our planet, spread your wings, and make a difference. You guys have so much for visiting. Have a lovely day. Only here in Dubai Safari Park. Bye-bye.